So how can you save photos in folders on iPhone? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So there are two types of folders or two options which you can take right here, and I'm going to explain it all. At first, we have the ability to just go to the the Photos app. As usual, you can locate your photos like that, and you're going to tap on share, which gives you the ability to click on a save to files. You can already see there is a folder icon like there, and you can just go to your files, browse your local storage, and save it anywhere you want into an existing folder or even create a brand new one. So this is like moving the photo from the Photos app to the Files app. However, there are also folders within the Photos app, if that makes sense, right? So inside of your Albums section in the Photos app, you can see that when you tap on a plus at the top, you also have the ability to create a new album as well as a new folder. But this folder is behaving a little bit different. It is a folder within the Photos app which contains albums, right? So it is nested that way. So in the Photos app, we have folders which hold albums, and albums hold individual photos and videos. So this is like a different way of organizing stuff still within the Photos app. So that's how it works. You know, when you create a folder, again, inside of the Photos app, you can only put inside of the folder individual albums, and albums can contain the photos and videos you pick. So I hope it makes sense. I'm just trying to articulate it the best I can. So let me know in the comments below which option you wanted to achieve, moving it to the folder in the Files app or folder in the Photos app. So let me know about that below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials.